Hi. Oh. Ano? Ken is there. Ayan is there. Yeah. Kita na kayo ka. Maruhay na ka. Oh, it's more fun in Tinoy-an. Oh, that's the... Boy! Oh. By the way, Tinoy-an means intentional. Intentionally done by our tribal man. Yes, that's the way. Oh, it's like a roller coaster ride.